Let me be honest with you. Getting a woman to fall for you is not about being rich, handsome, or super smart. If you want her to be truly attracted to you, you must start by working on yourself. Most men fail because they don't know this. They follow all the wrong advice, buy gifts, dress up, act cool, but none of that matters if you can't control your emotions. Women are not impressed by effort. They're impressed by presence, your energy, your mindset, your control. When you stay calm, steady, and confident, without needing to prove anything, that's when they notice you. What most men are doing wrong. Let's clear something up. Chasing women doesn't work. Trying too hard actually pushes them away. Most guys think they need to win her by giving compliments, texting a lot, or being funny. But the truth is, the more you try to win her, the more she pulls away. Why? Because you're not being yourself. Women can tell when you're faking confidence. They sense when you're needy, and they start to lose interest. So stop chasing. Start becoming. Why Stoicism makes you attractive? You might ask, what does some ancient philosophy have to do with dating? Everything. Stoicism teaches you how to control your reactions. It's not about hiding your feelings. It's about not letting your feelings control you. When you're calm under pressure, when you don't get shaken by small things, when you don't seek her approval, she feels your strength. That's what makes you different from other guys. Use words that actually matter. Most guys think they need clever lines or jokes to get attention. Wrong. You don't need to be funny. You need to speak with depth. Say her name in conversation. It shows you're paying attention, but don't overdo it. Compliment her in a way others don't. Not just, you look nice. Compliment her passion, her thoughts, her mindset. And don't forget gratitude. If she does something kind, thank her. Not casually, genuinely. Women notice the little things more than the big show. One big mistake most guys make? Apologizing too much. Stop saying sorry unless you truly did something wrong. Own your words and actions. That earns respect. Let your actions show confidence. Words are good, but actions say even more. Stoic men carry themselves differently. You don't need to talk loud or act tough. Just stay calm and move with purpose. Fix your posture. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed. Eye contact. Just a few seconds at a time is enough to show you're confident. Walk slowly and with purpose. Don't rush or look nervous. Walk like you belong. Do small things that show you care. If she mentioned her favorite book, gift it later. If she talked about a problem, follow up. These small actions speak louder than any pickup line ever will. And one more thing. Stop trying to entertain her. You're not a performer. Be present. Listen more than you speak. That's powerful. When things go wrong, stay calm. If your date isn't going well, stay calm. If she starts pulling away, don't chase. Most men panic. But a stoic man doesn't beg. He steps back and stays centered. And here's the twist. When she sees that you're not chasing, she starts wondering about you. She starts thinking about you. That's when she comes back. Why? Because you showed her you're different. You're strong. You're not afraid to walk away. Be true to yourself. In the end, nothing works if you're not being real. Stop trying to become someone you think she'll like. Start becoming the best version of who you really are. When you do that, something powerful happens. You stop chasing women and they start noticing you. You stop performing and you start attracting. Final takeaway. So here's what you really need to do. Stop chasing. Stop impressing. Stop overthinking. Just become the man who's grounded, focused, and calm. Live with purpose, confidence, and control. And trust me, women will feel that energy and be drawn to you. If you're ready to take this further, hit subscribe. And let's build the life you were meant to live.